Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Goodwill for the first time to actually shop instead of donate. So it was a little different for me, but I was super surprised at how much stuff that they had and how inexpensive their prices are. So I got some things that weren't too cute on the hanger because I want to see if we can really have fun with recreating them and making really cute pieces out of things that maybe aren't so pretty on the hanger. I will show you first everything that I got and how it looks on so that you can see how unflattering these pieces are and then see the transformation. You can get pieces from thrifting, or you can use some pieces at home that maybe you don't really like and you want to get rid of, but you can transform it into a new piece. Also, all of these DIYs do not require sewing because I do not know how to sew. So all of this is just using scissors, bleach, some household items that I'm sure that you guys already have at home. I have this Alice in Wonderland shirt that I absolutely love, but it's way too small on me. So I wanted to turn it into a tank top that I could tie up the bottom. And then I also have a tank top. I have a ton of them. So I wanted to try to find a way to do something with a tank top as well. So I'm just gonna use this plain gray tank top. Next up, I got a black t-shirt. So this one was perfect for me because if you know me at all, you would know that Colorado is my favorite place to go on vacation. So this is the Red Rocks Amphitheater. I have been to Red Rocks a few times and it's one of Rich and I's favorite places. So when I saw this shirt, I just had to purchase it. Next up, we have a pair of sweatpants. So basically these are just super unflattering on. And I don't know about you guys, but with these type of sweats, I usually use them to do housework. So they end up stained and bleached and all types of mess on them. It's just the cotton champion style pants. For these, it doesn't really matter how the bottom looks because we will be cutting them into shorts. So really you only have to focus on the top part. So here's a sweatshirt that I already had at home. I really like it, but I was gonna get rid of it because I just don't like how it looks on. I don't think it's very flattering. And the last piece we will be DIYing is this super long denim dress. As you can see, it's a long sleeve, and for this one you will need a button up, and you will see why. The long sleeves will come in handy because we will be tying it up with these sleeves. So I do recommend using a long sleeve and a button up. And I actually just noticed that this one still has the tag on it. So that's a winner right there. You can get clothes from Goodwill that are brand new. I think the dresses were $3.99, so to get a brand new dress with the tag still on it that no one has worn. And I did get two other pieces from Goodwill just for me that I saw while I was there that I won't be DIYing, but I figured I would show you guys just to give you a little insight of what they do sell there, because like I said, I was super surprised since this was my first time thrifting to find so many awesome pieces. Here's a really nice pair of pants. They're kind of like a jean material, so they're kind of dressy but also casual because they do have the jogger style on the bottom. And then I also just got this really cute dress that I figured I could wear for work or something like that. It's this Old Navy dress. I just like how it had the tapered in stomach area, and it's a really soft, nice cotton material. So I had to pick that one up as well. So that is my little loot from Goodwill. I think it was a total of $22. So that is definitely a steal for all of these clothes. Today's video is sponsored by Rare Breed Apparel, and this is a really cool t-shirt subscription box that you can get monthly. I did get this month's box, so I did want to open it up with you guys and show y'all what I got inside. So on the top of the t-shirts, you will get this little pamphlet. It has a little bit about their brand. So it says that they actually support schools by donating t-shirts for art classes, stickers for school pride, and they also help with fundraisers to boost funds for school activities. I just love to support any brand that does donate money or help out their community. I think that that's a great cause. So of course, I had to mention that on my channel. It's really cool because they do have free shipping. And like I said, this is a monthly subscription box, but you can control the subscription box on your account online. So if you did want to stop it or cancel your subscription at any time, it's super easy. They do get new styles every single month, so it's fun because you never know what you will get that month. I love inspirational things, positivity, stuff like that. I love to share that on my channel. So I was super excited to partner with them and for them to sponsor this video so I can show you guys their amazing quality t-shirts. So I got two t-shirts for this month. They are 100% cotton and they are handmade, so I do love that aspect as well. So the first t-shirt says, "Sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come." So that's pretty funny because I'm actually always late. I do really love the quality of the t-shirts. As you can see, they're a nice stretchy cotton, which a lot of times cotton t-shirts can be pretty stiff. Also, it does come with their little logo on the bottom part of the t-shirt. So here is the other shirt I got. As you can see, the cut on them is a little bit different, which I like because I didn't want to get two of the exact same types of t-shirts. This t-shirt has a really pretty pink design on it, and it says "Born born to fight, so I think that that's perfect to wear for the gym. I highly recommend checking them out. I will leave their information for their website down below if you are interested in getting a subscription box. So yeah, let's get right into the DIY. So all you need for this one is a pair of scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the neckline, cut the sleeves. I'm gonna cut it straight across on the back, flip it over, and then in the front we're going to cut it into a triangle, which we are going to cut straight down the center as well so that we can tie the two triangles together. And that's the finished result for our little tie-up tank top. For the pants, all you will need are a pair of scissors as well, and we are just going to cut these right into a pair of shorts. And what I recommend doing is cutting them little by little, so I'm gonna cut them pretty long and then try them on, see how they look. If I want them a little bit shorter, then I will cut. So these went from really unflattering, bleach stains, I also have holes in them, sweatpants, to a really cute pair of shorts. And you can recycle the fabric that you cut off. You can use it to wash your car, to clean your house, anything like that. So if you didn't want to throw them away, I definitely recommend doing that because it is a pretty large piece of fabric. So for the tank top, we're gonna make a little halter top, crisscross little situation going on. So for this, we're going to cut it on the back side. We're gonna cut straight across the middle. And as you can see, this works out perfect for me because all across the back of the shirt, I do have a pretty large stain. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but this ends up cutting it out perfectly so that the stain is not there. And then cut down the two sides and take the back part off. Then we're gonna flip it over and cut all the way down the center of the front of the tank top. You can tie up and crisscross the front, and it just gives it a really cute different style than just a plain tank top. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun cutting this one up. I wanted to really enhance this neckline, so I'm going to cut that. I'm also going to cut out the shoulders so that it does show your shoulders once I go to put it on. I'm also going to leave the neckline on this one because I wanted to give that sweater choker effect. I don't really know what it's called. Just to make it look a little more edgy, I am going to cut some slits into it. So the slits look kind of funny right when you do it, but once you wash and dry the pieces, then the cuts look a lot better because they start to roll up and unravel. For this button-down dress, all we're gonna do is cut the bottom to the length that we want. And then what you're gonna do is put it on as normal. Then you're just going to take the sleeves off, but keep it buttoned up. We're gonna take the sleeves and just wrap it around your waist and then just tie a knot. Since it did start off pretty large for me, this is going to make it a lot more fitted, and then all around just make it look a lot more flattering. And as you can see, it's a pretty large piece of fabric that I cut off, and this is a really nice piece of denim. Even though I can't sew, maybe I can figure out a way to wrap this around and make it a really cute denim skirt. I'm not sure. I'm sure a lot of you do know how to sew or use a sewing machine that would have a lot better ideas than I do. Definitely leave them in the comment section so everyone can see your ideas of what you can do with the leftover fabrics. For this last t-shirt, I want it to be a really cool bleached out t-shirt dress. So once I'm done bleaching it, I'm probably going to wear a belt or something to make it a little tighter at the waist. So that is all for my thrifting DIYs. If you did stay to the end of the video, I will be giving away both of the t-shirts that came in the Rare Breed Apparel subscription box. Both of them are a size small, so definitely keep that in mind if you are going to sign up for the giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below any comment that you would like, and on next week's video, I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway. Good luck to everyone who entered. This is just a little thank you for watching the entire video to the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.